We just hopped on our luxury shuttle and we're on our way to set. We're gonna make this one a little star. We're freezing our asses off. It's like 50 degrees today.
I thought you weren't cold.
And we're gonna be in the water, right? In bikinis.
You said we weren't gonna be in the water.
Yeah, we are. Let me know when you're ready for me to rub that booty, honey. We're on set. We're playing video games and enjoying this beautiful TV set. Perfect. At the beach now, enjoying PB&J's, unlimited snacks. It's a buffet of potato chips.
Hey, it's lunchtime.
Look at this flower in his head.
Now here we are in Hermosa Beach, California. This is Palmilla.
It took kind of long.
So how's it, honey?
It's so good. It's like the soap and taco.
Yeah, they're mushroom tacos. And I said it in Spanish when I ordered, right? That was fun, right? I ordered in Spanish. You guys, we're about to try the churros. Oh wow, those look so good. Now you gotta try each dipping sauce. What were they again?
Chocolate, caramel, strawberry.
Chocolate, caramel, and strawberry. Wow. And it comes with six of these beautiful handmade churros.